Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today I'm excited to show you a sharp new addition for your 70 to 72 Ford truck, our blacked out hood or tailgate letters. In recent years, Ford has used black emblems as a signature feature on select sport and blackout appearance packages. Now you can bring that same modern look to your vintage vehicle with our premium black emblems. These letters are precision die cast just like the originals, but finished in a sleek satin black finish. The bold Ford lettering really stands out, and they are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company. They fit the hood and tailgate on your F-100, and installation couldn't be easier. Using the locating pins and self-threading nuts for a perfect fit, no special tools are required. If you're aiming for that blacked out look, this is a quick and easy upgrade that makes a huge difference in your truck's appearance. And as always, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.